Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, let me introduce myself. My name is Latifa Nur Aini from Mathematics Education and I'm from Tidar University. Okay, today we will learn about probability and statistics. Okay, probability and statistics. The first one is probability. Probability is used to state how likely it is that an event will occur in an experiment. In probability, there are three things we need to understand. The first one is sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible results for an experiment or event. Then the number two is sample point. The sample point are the member of the sample space or possibilities that arise. Okay, and the next is number three is event. Event is the set of constant results in the sample space, or it can be said to be a subset of the sample space of an experiment. Okay, in probability, there are two kinds of probability. The first probability is empirical probability. The empirical probability is the comparison between the frequency of event NA and experiment conducted NS. This is the formula for empirical probability. PA equals to NA per NS. The information is that PA is probability, NA is many members in event A, and NS is many members in the set of sample space. Okay, number two is theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is the comparison between the expected frequency of event to frequency of possible event or sample space. Okay, this is the formula. The formula of theoretical probability. The PA is probability, NA is expected frequency of event A, and NS is frequency of all experiment. Okay, the second material is about statistics. Statistics are related to the way of collecting, processing, representing, and interpreting data and drawing conclusions. Statistics study data that can be obtained from a sample or entire population. This is the sample and population. The first one is samples. Samples are part of the population that can be described the nature or characteristic of a population. Then number two is population. Population is the entire object that is the source of research data. Okay, and the next is representation of data. There are three kinds to representation of data. The first one is table. Table, this is the example of table. Okay, the number two is pie chart. Then the number three is bar chart. This is the pie chart and this is the bar chart. Okay. The next is data center measure. The first is mean. Mean is a measure of the average concentration calculated from the data obtained. There are two kinds of mean. The first one is for single data mean. The formula is x bar equals to sigma xi per n, where x bar is mean, sigma x is amount of data, xi is data to I, and n is lots of data. The number two is group data mean. The formula is x bar equals to sigma fi xi per sigma fi, where x bar is mean, fi is frequency value xi, and the xi is the midpoint of a certain range. Data center mission number 2 is median. A median is a middle value of sorted data. The first one is single data median. In single data median, there are two kinds of single data median. The first one is for odd data, and the number 2 is for even data. This is the formula for odd data, and this is the formula for even data. Okay, and the number 2 is group data median. This is the formula for group data median, where MA or median equals to TB plus 1 per 2 and mean FK per F1 Fi times P. This is the information of formula. Okay, the next data center mission number 3 is mode. Mode is the data value that has the highest frequency. The first one is single data mode. A single data mode can be determined from the highest frequency data value. The second is group data mode. This is the formula from group data mode, dimana where mode equals to TB plus D1 per first D per first D plus second D times P. This is the information from the formula. Okay, and the next one is exercise. This is the equation for exercise. In a football match held 10 times, Indonesian team won 5 times, draw 3 times, and lost 2 times. If Indonesian team plays one more time, the probability of Indonesian team will win is, so we will write the data from the equation. Okay, and the first one is football match are held 10 times. This is the sample space. In a football match held 10 times, so we can write NS equals to 10. Okay, and the next. Because the question is about Indonesian team will win, so we can write the win data. This is the win data. The team has won 5 times, so the NA is 5. Okay. So we must write the formula from the probability. Probability of Indonesian team winning. Okay. The formula is PA equals to NA per NS. So we can subtitle PA equals to NA. This is the NA is 5. Then NS from the data, NS equals to 10. So we can write 10. Okay. 5 per 10 equals to 1 per 2 or equals to 0.5. Okay, so the probability of the Indonesian team winning is 0.5. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.